Project Vote is a Wales-wide opportunity to run a parallel election to coincide with the 2021 Senedd election at your secondary school or other setting, giving your learners aged 11 to 15 the chance to learn more about how voting works, who their local political candidates are, and make a decision on who they want to vote for. So you might be thinking, how will this work with all the extra challenges we are facing at the moment? Let us explain. Step 1. Register. Sign up your secondary school, or if you're not in a secondary school, get in touch to find out how you can take part. Step 2. Engage. We have created a range of paperless, free, curriculum-linked resources to help teach young people what they need to know, and there will also be online events to choose from, but these aren't compulsory. Step 3. Vote. Receive a link to your e-ballot, send it to learners to complete on any device, anywhere. And now for the why. Why should you sign up for Project Vote? Project Vote will give learners the opportunity to engage with political and social issues, and by casting their vote, they will be able to see how their voices could shape the world they live in. After the vote, we'll publish a full map showing how every part of Wales voted and how the Senedd would look if only 11 to 15-year-olds taking part in our parallel election voted. If you are not in a secondary school or you're a teacher or leader from another setting, you can still take part. Just go to our sign up page to find out more.